Going on, guys? It's Nick, CEO and founder of Rival Consultants. Today we're going to go over the quickest and easiest way to remove credit inquiries. What is a credit inquiry? Inquiries are made by organizations, i.e. banks, credit unions, anywhere you go to get an auto loan, etc. What they're pretty much doing is they're doing a hard pull, or pretty much looking at your credit report to see if you have any type of negatives, derogatory marks, pretty much getting an overall gauge what type of person you are. There are two types of credit inquiries. There's a hard and a soft pull. Hard pulls occur when you grant a lender permission to pull your credit report with hopes that you'll be able to secure a loan of some kind, such as a car loan, credit card, home loan, etc. Soft inquiries occur when you or existing creditors check your credit report. It may also occur when a business checks your report to gauge if you would be inclined to interested in their products or services. Pretty much like insurance companies, credit card offers, from like banks that you're not associated with. Pretty much seeing if you would be interested in their products, stuff like that. Soft inquiries have no effect on your credit score, but a hard inquiry may pull your score down 5 to 15 points. It all depends on what your credit score is. If your credit score is like a 720, you'll get like 3 to 5. But if your score is like a 650 or lower, then you'll see 5 to 10. What do you need before disputing inquiries? Obviously you're going to need, a copy of your credit report to actually see what you're disputing. You're also going to need the address of the creditors in which you're disputing. Disputing inquiries can be, pretty hard. A lot of times, you'll get, kickback saying, oh, it's verified. But the method I'm going to show you is really a way, for you to go ahead and dispute it with the actual creditor. Ways you can dispute a credit inquiry. You should be aware that disputing a credit inquiry through the credit bureaus will result in a fraud alert being imposed on your credit report. A fraud alert lasts between 90 days and tells the lender that they must verify your identity before issuing you any type of credit. So pretty much stopping anybody who would be stealing your identity, stuff like that. Pretty much a safety precaution. Being that an inquiry is someone actually looking to apply for any type of loan or anything like that. Like I said earlier, you can dispute a hard inquiry with the actual creditor or the actual credit bureau. But this method is much preferred to dispute it with the creditor. And I'm going to tell you why. You can dispute it on grounds that you never authorized it, but I'm going to go more in detail in the next slide. The preferred method of inquiry removal is called original creditor after 90 days, 90 days being more giveaways as well. So stay tuned in for that. Thanks, guys.